Recently, I came across a product called Jeterex Pressure Washer, and it's being marketed as an online powerful tool that can turn any regular garden hose into a high pressure cleaning machine. That's so it blasting away dirt, cleaning driveways, washing cars, and restoring pathways like a professional pressure washer. But here's the truth: Jeterex is misleading. It's not a real pressure washer, it's just a basic hose nozzle being marketed with exaggerated claim. Before I continue, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purpose only. I am not selling anything, I'm just exposing misleading products so people don't get misled. Now, the biggest problem is simple. A regular garden hose cannot magically create high pressure on its own. Real pressure washer use electric motors or gas powered pumps to compress water and generate serious cleaning force. That's what gives them the ability to strip dirt and function better. Moreover, if you go through the page, you can find out that there is no something like such. If you go to the page, the Jetrix has no motor, no pump, and no pressure generating system at all. It simply changes the shape of water stream, so while it may spray water in narrow pattern, it cannot produce the deep cleaning power so in as shown in the advertisement. Moreover, and the major red flag is the marketing itself. Many of the ads appear highly misleading. In some cases, they seem to have to show footage that are like of no use, that seem to show that they have been misleading and doing many other things. Many of the ads appear to be like the small hosel or nozzle is very much powerful. What viewers are seeing in those clips are often doesn't match what the product can realistically do. And when you look deeper, the pattern becomes even more obvious. This exact same nozzle has been sold under the different name like Kinix, Aquasys, Jet Nozzle, and several other so-called pressure water brands, but essentially the same low-cost attachment being repeatedly rebranded and remarketed. So here's the real sucker. If you go through this page, you can see that the website also rely heavily on pressure tactics like 75% off on the product and different other marketing tactics, a limited stock remaining, and countdown timers meant to rush people into buying before they research the product properly. And many of the reviews and testimonials look suspiciously fake. If you go through the testimonials and reviews, they seem to be like AI generated, very much staged, or results look like nothing like the ad. Mostly it perform exactly like normal hose, nozzle, and nothing more. And when you step back and think about it, it really becomes pretty clear. So you can find the same type of product for like very cheap price in places like Alibaba, and they're being rebranded and resold using high markup in places like Jetrix. So let's be clear, Jetrix is not a real pressure washer, it's just a cheap rebranded hose nozzle being sold through misleading marketing and exaggerated promises. If you've seen this product or tried it, share your experience in the comment. Stay sharp because many viral cleaning gadgets online are not what they claim to do.